I've been with the company for 38 years. My name is Ralph Johnson, and I'm Principal Engineer 2.
How have you personally benefited from the Atlas Copco culture?
Going back to this opportunity, as my talents evolved and I was able to take advantage of other opportunities within the company, so shifting around various job titles, or maybe getting a chance to go out in the field and use my expertise, specific expertise in a on-site location. Atlas Copco's been very generous in allowing me to move around and be flexible to grow.
What do you enjoy most about your position, and what is the most challenging part of your role?
So my position allows me to look at our products and say, well, hey, I can make these parts lighter. I can use less materials. I can interpret the welding codes to our advantage so that we don't use too much, or we don't spend too much money just blindly overbuilding things. Well, the challenging part is, I might have a vision for change and making things simpler, but to get that institutionalized and to get people to recognize that, hey, we should do it this way now, that's a little harder.
Why are our products and solutions important, and what do you think the future holds?
Our products are important because hey, the world runs on chemicals, and you're going to need a lot more of them to solve the problems that we face now. And Atlas Copco takes the approach of always trying to improve, make their products more efficient, do more with less, and I think that's important. And the Atlas Copco culture has been very supportive of growth and very stable. The company's into providing goods and services without the relentless focus on profits that might drive poor decision making. What does the future hold? Well, there's a lot of opportunity out there, a lot of opportunity to make things better, but also opportunity to bring people in, give them a chance to develop and to grow, put their kids through college and stuff like that, and maybe them kids come work here. So there's a certain longevity or consistency to the Atlas Copco experience.
That's a wrap on
Ralph Johnson. Like an absolute pro.